I just remember feeling passionately that if we want to continue to have the beautiful land and the clean air, if that's important to us, then we really need to be more conscious of it. My name is Lauren Maris. I'm an environmental program specialist with the City of Red Deer. I worked in Alberta's oil and gas sector for a decade, and being conservative about what resources we have and using them really wisely and preciously is something that became important to me. The City of Red Deer is helping owners of multi-family buildings to become more energy efficient. We were excited to have our energy auditors come in and do audits on 3 different buildings, different situations that we can use as case studies for other building owners in Red Deer to maybe help them take action.
My name is Dami Dabiri, and I am an energy efficiency engineer with SES Consulting. To me, why I got into this was to save greenhouse gases. And this field that I work in as an energy efficiency engineer, I get to use technology through things like building retrofits, building energy audits to improve the way we use energy, which directly impacts how much emissions of greenhouse gases we make.
Since about 1/3 of Red Deerians live in multifamily buildings, there's lots of opportunity to make changes in these multifamily buildings and make some significant energy reductions.
You can't improve what you don't track or what you don't measure, and so improving energy use starts with tracking it. The basics of energy efficiency is not using things when you don't need them. So go around, look at how your thermostats are doing, what their set points are spaces in heating that they don't need to be heating, are you supplying air when you don't need to be supplying air, just things like that you can take a look at. Change your toilets. This is something that's obviously you can't just do overnight, but changing your toilets to low flow, that saves water. I think building operators are on the forefront of building energy efficiency. It's rare that you see an option that gives you the ability to save greenhouse gases and to save dollars. And making building retrofits to your building is definitely one of the ways to do that. And that's another part that excites me, is the ability to save money. Of course, if you're turning off devices when you don't need them, you're saving on utilities. You're reducing the runtime on your equipment, so you're saving on maintenance fees as well. So they're just things like that. Some of them are shorter term, some of them are longer term, but with a combination, you can definitely get your building to where you want it to be.
If you're interested in making changes to your building or want more information, visit reddeer.ca/energywise.